Again, I want to select these multiple views and then I assign it to none. In the continuation, I want to tell you how to create a template, view template actually in Revit software. In order to create a view template, we got three general ways or methods. In the first method, you have to open View tab, View Templates, and then click on Manage View Templates. Afterwards, you can select one of these default templates that is close to your expectations or to your desires. Afterwards, you can just duplicate one new view template from it and assign a name for it by this way, a-plan view, then you click on OK. Afterwards, you can apply the changes on the view properties and assign it under views. Watch this, selecting the views and then assigning them, or we can right click and apply the view template on the view, not assigning. This was the first method. What about the second method is creating a view templates based on the adjusted settings for the project or the view. I firstly open a view and then I want to change the view properties dependent to my desired setting. For instance, we can hide some redundant items, we can create filters or changing the visibility graphics. For instance, we can delete or make these generic annotations hidden by category. Watch this in this view and in this part in view range I want to adjust the view range 1200 2300 and then I apply it. Great. And in level 1 I select the L1 block 35. Again in view range I can specify the levels, associated level below, to adjust them like this way, and then we can open line styles, and then for the beyond line we change its color, apply, check it out, the beyond lines are changed. And as you can see, we can distinguish the elements that are below the level, associated level, apply to make them hidden for the view depth. Or I can move the bottom offset upward or 0. Okay. Great. Or I can get back to this part for the elements. As you can see, I can hide this category, hide the plantings, and let's see whatever items we have by this way. Here, range base level, I want to set it to L1 block 35 in order to set this as a reference. Afterwards, from view tab, visibility graphics, then we can choose some categories like doors, for instance, to change their line patterns, line colors, line weights, and so on, like green for the openings. Apply, check it out. For plan swing, I choose the line pattern for it, apply, OK, and then for the panel I choose a different color, apply, and no, whatever you want based on your needs. here from filter. Now I'm just exemplifying some cases, while you may want to modify other categories. For instance, 1 hour for fire rating. Afterwards, from visibility graphics, filter, and then in this part I click on add to add 1 hour. If it doesn't exist, you have to create this filter role. We have added the categories of walls and doors, fire rating, and equal to. Then I right click on this to rename it. I name it walls, like this way. And I check this, I uncheck doors, I keep walls. I just wanted to keep walls here. Okay, select and okay. I move it upwards, and here as you can see, we have changed the cut pattern. For instance, solid, and I choose the new color for it. Apply. So, if we have used this type of wall in the project, the color is changed. After doing this, I can right click on the level or view level and then create view template from view, or we can open it from view tab, create view template from view. I assign the name for our new view template that is being created from the view, a plan view template or O1, like this way, and I click on OK. Okay, right now I can open other views and tile these to these 4 views. I just wanted to show you how these settings are being applied on these views. So I tile the views, I select these 2 views. I just want to apply the view template, not assign it. Watch this, apply properties. Check it out. As you can see, we have applied the properties, filters, graphics, line patterns, colors. I select the wall for fire rating. As you can see, it is not specified yet. I set it to 1 hour. As you can see, the filter is applied on it now, like this way. Right click, apply view template to and OK. Then I want to check if it does exist or not, since we had applied another view template on it by this way. And about the third method is using graphic display options here, since after having these settings done, we can open graphic display options and then like cast shadows, check it out, or showing ambient shadows, or opening sketchy lines, depth cueing, and then save as view template. Then we can convert it to a view template, architecture plan view, by this way, presentation for instance, and OK, and OK. Afterwards, I can select the desired levels, then applying the properties and the selected views at the same time. Apply. So if I open the views, as you can see, the shadows are casted like this way. By using these methods, you can create your view templates. As I mentioned, 3 methods. Firstly, using the existing templates and duplicate them, and developing them or modifying the existing ones, or we can adjust the settings in the views and create a view template from the views, or creating it from the view template, as you can see. and also creating the view template from graphic display options and save them as view templates. So we got familiar with how to create view templates in Revit.